What's going on, guys? Adventure Addicts here, and today we're going to be doing the challenge brought to you by Blu3 Dreamin, and that is the What's in My Trunk challenge. To start off, I don't got much. I got essentials, and I actually use the thing that Workplay Drive uses, which is using the undercarriage of the mat for more storage. But yeah, let's get right into it. Here we go. Alright, start off with, first thing you're probably going to see is the big red tote or milk crate. I'll get into that in a second. First I got here is my camera tripod, because you never know when you're going to a beautiful spot and want to take some beautiful pictures. Right here is just a sorted bag of cleaning supplies. Got microfiber, some polishing compounds, rags. That's about it. Move that aside. In here, I'm not going to open these. Well, at least this one. This is for my last oil change. I have some 020 Mobil 1 in here. These bags are oil filters. I work at a parts store, as you can see, AutoZone. I got K&N, Mobil 1, and Mopar, because I wasn't sure, because it wasn't listed for 2017. So I went off of the 3 that I know should fit this car, and I was right. Okay, now the thing everybody's been looking forward to looking at is my milk crate. So here, I keep some tools. This is just a little toolkit from Harbor Freight, nothing special. Move this out of the way. Alright, so in here I have the packages of my tire paint. I have a Frisbee. I have Meguiar's Mirror Bright leather lotion. Stuff's amazing. I highly recommend it for any leather seats, interior, dashes. Fantastic product. I have my tire inflator, because you never know when you're going to need that, even though I do have one underneath, you'll see later, but this one's quicker to get to and easier to use. I have my X-bar for my tires. This is just another attachment for the tire inflator. It's for mattresses and stuff, but it comes with it. I have fuel line, because in the front of my car, my license plate is zip tied to my grill, on the bottom grill. And I put fuel line around the edges of the license plate so it doesn't scratch any of my paint or front splitter. And then I have some hook that the dealer actually left in my Dodge Dart, my old car. He left it in my car. So free tool there. All right. So far that's what's in my trunk. Let's go to the underside. All right. Let's go check what's underneath of the mat in my trunk. So, start off, if you didn't know already, in the Challenger, your battery is back here, usually group size H8, if anybody needs to know. You got your factory tire inflator. Haven't got to use it, so let's not jinx myself. It comes with a, this is the factory license plate frame. Don't need that. Don't ever want to use that. I got some extra tools, little palm ratchets, the universal socket set that's actually terrible. Underneath here I got my 2 mid mufflers. I don't have a garage or anywhere to really store them, so I put them down here. And just two microfiber rags to protect any damage that would get caused from them moving around. So, alright, that was the what's inside my trunk challenge. Now we're going to move on and see what's in my center console. Okay, so now we're inside the car. Don't mind any of the mess. Haven't gotten around to cleaning the inside yet. So right off the bat, you notice over here I have a multi-tool by Coast. It's a pair of pliers. Let me get it open for you. Got a 1/8 inch 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 1/ You got a pair of pliers in there and knife and all the good stuff. I got a name tag and some spare change. In my cup holder, I have a wall outlet for a USB, because when you gotta charge your phone at work or something. And I have a spare GoPro battery, because GoPro batteries don't last that long. Now if we go inside the actual center console, I have a lot of stuff in here. Pack of gum. I got 2 braided iPhone chargers. Don't know why I have 2, but I guess I didn't know I had one. More chargers for like the camera. I have 2 LED bulbs for the dome lights in here. Not sure if I'm going to be putting them in or not. I might, but you never know. You got wireless earphones, charger for the earphones. I have the mounts for my radar detector that I do not have installed right now. I have some pocket knives that I use for work and if I go fishing, and some pens, and yeah, that's about it. Alright, so combine 2 challenges into one. Again, thank you Blu3 Dreamin for making the challenge and bringing the community closer together. I'm not sure who did the center console challenge, but if I find out who it is, I'll link them both down in the description, him and Blu3 Dreamin. And yeah, if they see this video, I'm going to nominate MDG Collections and JMC Rides. Alright, this has been Adventure Addicts, and I'm out.
Dum 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 dum.